welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And right now I will be reacting to another song from Mrinnal Murli. This song is called Ravil and the composition is by Sushin Shyam in this one. So I'm really excited to listen to this song because I love his compositions. And also I'm really enjoying the music album so far. And it's not just the songs. I really want to give props to the makers for investing so much on the lyric videos, because we are not seeing basically stills from the movie. It is mostly like the animation that I've seen in all of the songs. And I don't know how this song is going to be portrayed, because they are not going to show, the release is right around the corner, so I'm pretty sure they're not going to show any stills from the movie except what we saw in the both the trailers basically. So yes, let's watch this song. uh okay, here we go. It's beautiful already. I'm like, wow. Sophia Paul. Okay. It has the Sushin Shyam touch. Ravel. Ravel or Ravel?
രാവിൽ മയങ്ങുമി പൂമടിയിൽ തൂവുന്ന തൂമഞ്ഞു തുള്ളികൾ പോൽ പൂമ്പുലർ പൊൻകതിർ കാത്തിരുന്നു ഇതൾ വാടിയ ചെമ്പകപ്പൂമണമായി നിറയുമൊരോർമതൻ നോവുമായി നീ.
So haunting, this part. Pradeep Kumar. Shout out to these guys, Sarath Renu. It's a sad song, right? I think this is definitely a sad song. I think this is again the villain's song. What I feel, because it reminded me of Uire. It reminded me of that. Wait, I'll stop this. It reminded me of that, and it's basically again maybe looking at the stills, I feel that it is talking about maybe one-sided love. where he could, the villain, I think that is the villain once again, where he could never tell this woman that he loves her or something like that, or he had to, something happened, man. I think, I don't know now, after all of it, when I'm culminating all of these things together, like the songs, because even Uire was like a really slow mellow song, and this, I definitely have this very haunting music, very haunting music. So I definitely feel that this is a sad song. uh Maybe he lost this woman, maybe she's no more, could be anything, it could be anything. But now, with both the trailers and looking at the pattern of the songs, I don't know why I feel that, like, Minnal's side of the story, probably, yeah, when he's getting his powers and stuff like that, it's gonna be quite like the spectacle, and we're gonna laugh and cheer. But when we have the villain's perspective shown, I don't know, it'll be shown from villain's perspective or how he's gonna be portrayed. But I think that's like, we are in for some tragic stuff, huh? I feel. I think are we gonna feel for the villain? So many questions. So many freaking questions. I am really keeping myself out from all the, because I know this movie is premiered in the film festival of the Geo Mami this thing. So I am not reading anything regarding that. I don't wanna read anything. I just wanna go into it completely blind on 24th. So yeah, but the song is very, very beautiful, haunting. But I'm just comparing song to song, because two songs are the slow tracks. I think Oire is still something that I would prefer to listen to more. I don't know, maybe it has a more soothing feel to it. This has very, very melancholy feel to it. So maybe when I want to cry, I'll listen to this one. But I think from all the songs that I have listened to till now of Minnal Murli, Murli, not Murri. Sorry, tongue is rolling. I think Uire is my favorite. It's my favorite from all the tracks that have been released till now. Which one? Because they have released almost so many songs right now. So which one is your pick? Definitely let me. Even Theme Minnal is nice. I really enjoyed the song. But I think if I have to pick one favorite, it's Uire. That's the favorite song from this album for me. That's definitely. But this is not a bad song. I'm just saying this is not something that I'll probably listen on repeat, because it's very sad. It's very, very sad. So yes, I'm feeling doomed, and probably play this one. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful composition by Sushin Shyam, and I think the song, depending on the placement of the song, I'm guessing that whenever whatever situation in the movie comes, and then the song plays, it's gonna have a bigger impact. And I hope that in Netflix, even the songs are subtitled, like the lyrics are subtitled. Otherwise, I don't know when I will get the subtitle, because I want to know the meaning. I'm not able to appreciate Manu Manjeet because of this only, because I don't know what the song means, because all the lyrics are written by Manu Manjeet. So I can't comment on the lyrics at all. But the animation video, so beautifully done, and it's black and white. So, one more thing. The video is completely black and white, so it again gives you that grey, gloomy, dark feeling. So now I'm even more convinced that this is a sad song. So yes, that was the reaction, guys. How did you like this song? Did you like it? Not like it? Is it a grower? I think for me this song is a grower for sure, because I got so impressed with Uire, and I've been playing that song non-stop. I think after Thirame, like I was in that Thirame phase where I just kept playing Thirame again and again and again, and then even my Spotify playlist said कि हो गया भाई, काफी है. So now the turn has come for Uire, because I've been listening to that song non-stop so many times. So yes, that was the reaction. Those were my thoughts on this song and the overall album of Minnal Murli. And again, I'm saying Minnal Murli. Yes. I'm very excited for this movie, and yeah, I will end the video here. That was the reaction, guys, and I will see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.